we're going to go in Unit 1, and we're going down here to Chapter 1, Lesson 1 through 3. This is our first lesson, and we'll click on that. You can also get here from the Grades tab. And the first instruction here is to download this file. And then it says, save it to your desktop and rename it with your name, or it will not save your work. And that is true. So please do that. And then it says, as you go through the Cengage textbook, chapters 1 through 3, you will not be using the individual files for the exercises. The exercises in the file are marked as they pertain to the lesson. See the images below. So there you go. You can see what your textbook looks like, what your file looks like, and how those, what we call artboards, correlate to the file names. All right. And like I said, it's good whenever you're starting an assignment to kind of scroll through here first and get some details about things that may confuse you. All right. So now we're going to download this file, and I'm going to show you what to do with it to train it to open in Illustrator. And this is only going to work if you already have Illustrator. So I'm going to click on it. And it used to be cool and like download right here, and it was awesome and super obvious. Now it goes like up here somewhere, which is not my favorite thing. But yeah, I don't know if that's everybody or just me. But what I do is I go to my little file explorer here. So sorry, this opened over here. So I opened my file explorer and I went to downloads, and in my download folder, see, I have that file. I'm not going to leave it there because that's how you end up doing work and then submitting something that is blank. So what I'm going to do each and every time is I'm going to pull it onto my desktop or into a location that I want to use for these. And I'm going to right click on it and rename it. So maybe I want to name it my name, Chapter 1 for now. And I'm sure that you have your own superb naming system that you'll come up with, but that's what I'm going to do for the moment. So now that I have this file on my desktop and I want to open it in Illustrator, if I am you and I haven't trained this yet and I just go and double click it, what's going to happen is your computer is going to search for whatever program that it thinks can handle this kind of file, and it's usually wrong. It'll try to open it up in like WordPad or some sort of text document, something weird that's not going to work. So what you want to do to prevent that is you right click again and you go down here to open with. So open with. And like I said, this only works if you've already got Illustrator downloaded. And so then your computer is going to show you a list of possible programs that it thinks can open this file, and you're looking for Adobe Illustrator. So what you'll do is you'll select Adobe Illustrator and you'll say, I want you to always open this kind of file with Adobe Illustrator. And then this is the only time you'll ever have to do this. And from now on, your computer will know how to open this file. So click OK. And then it goes and it finds Adobe Illustrator and it opens the file.